All right, so it says graph the following. We're taking a look at these parent graphs. So I know that it's going to have that shape. My horizontal shift is -2. My vertical shift is -2. So starting at 0, 0, it's going to move over -2 and down -2. So I'm going to get that shape. My domain, -infinity to +infinity. My range, -infinity to +infinity. Now we have absolute value. So absolute value is that V shape. And so my horizontal shift is -5. And so from there, we can draw our graph. So domain, -infinity to +infinity. My range starts here at 0 and goes up to infinity. For the rational, remember it has these vertical and horizontal asymptotes, and those get moved. So the horizontal shift is -1, my vertical shift is 2. So those are my new horizontal and vertical asymptotes. So I can draw my graph. Now remember, when we project it, the horizontal and vertical asymptotes are open circle. So my domain is -infinity to -1 union, -1 to infinity. And then that's an open circle. So my range is -infinity to 2 union from 2 to infinity. And then it starts at 0, 1. My horizontal shift is 4. My vertical shift is -3. So it moves over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The horizontal asymptote, that also moves down 6 spaces. And then I can draw my shape. My domain is -infinity to +infinity. My range, it's going to be from -6 to infinity. So for the following graph, apply the transformation. So the question that we have to ask ourselves, is it to the x or is it to the y? So we're either adding or subtracting values to the x, or we're adding and subtracting values to the y. So for example, this one, f of x plus 1, that's my k. It means I'm adding 1 to every single y value. So that's going to move up 1 space, that's going to move up 1 space, that's going to move up 1 space. That's my new graph. For number 9, my horizontal shift is -1, so I'm going to be subtracting 1 from every single x value. So subtracting 1, subtracting 1, and subtracting 1. So the green is the transformation. It says let f of x equals the square root of x. Find a formula. Okay, so remember it's x minus h plus k. So I'm creating a formula. It's shifting to the right 2 units. So that's my h. Shift down 3 units. So my k is -3. So plug it in h, plug it in k. Instead of plus, I could just say -3. You can say plus -3 as well.